As a personal trainer, I'm always surprised to hear that people want a active looking body, but don't necessarily want to do the activities that lead to that active looking body. So you really can't separate the two. They really do go together. But it doesn't have to be as dramatic as sometimes you see on social media or in fitness classes. And let me just stop right here and because it is good advice and for legal reasons, I should say to everyone, because it's true, you should check with a doctor before starting any sort of fitness routine. But can we have a real talk moment too? I've had to go without health insurance. I know what that's like. I couldn't afford it at certain times. So if that's you, don't feel like you can't do anything. You just have to go really slow, and you've got to just take care of yourself and listen to your body. One of the easiest things I would say that everyone can do is just putting on some good comfortable shoes and heading out the door for a really good walk. What does that mean? Well, that means that, you're gonna get your heart rate up a little bit. You might get a little sweaty. That happens, for active bodies, but it doesn't have to be so intense. I'm actually showing you with these recipes how to make the heavy lifting, no pun intended, come from the food. So that's my goal here, is really to not only get you to cook and see what a difference that makes for you, the way your body looks and the way you feel, but also to just remind you that they go together. Fitness is not separate from health, and health is not separate, and healthy food is not separate from fitness. They really go together. I'm Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef, and this is Everything-diet.